Adventures, the way to learn. And this is Jeydern's Learning Adventure. Hi, Miss Nisha. I'm going to do an experiment on disappearing and dissolving. I have cup number 1, cup number 2, and cup number 3. Cup number 1, I'm going to put some sugar. Cup number 2, I'm going to put some salt. In cup number 3, I'm going to put some oil. Now let's stir them. It dissolves. This dissolves too. Now let's stir the number 3. This doesn't dissolve. So cup number 1 dissolves. Cup number 2 also dissolves, and cup number 3 doesn't dissolve. Bye.
Sugar and salt.
And oil.
So you have 3 cups. Which are the 2 that dissolves?
Salt and sugar. But oil doesn't dissolve, and it stays at the top. Thank you. Bye.